99% of you guys get this wrong, okay? Which threat to biodiversity is considered the biggest? A, introduced species, B, overexploitation, C, habitat destruction, or D, food chain disruption? Pause the video and think about it first. Okay, let's go one by one. A, introduced species. These are species brought into a new environment where they don't naturally belong, like invasive snakes, fish, or plants. They can seriously damage ecosystems because native organisms may not have defenses against them. But this is not considered the greatest overall threat to biodiversity. Okay? Now B, overexploitation. This means humans remove organisms faster than populations can recover. Examples are overfishing, overhunting, and excessive logging. This can absolutely collapse populations, especially slow reproducing species. Still not the biggest overall cause. Okay? Now D, disruption of food chains. This happens when one population changes and it affects predators, prey, and the entire ecosystem. For example, if prey disappears, predator populations can crash too. Very important, but still not the main answer. The correct answer is actually C, habitat destruction. And I'm going to tell you why. Habitat destruction is considered the greatest threat to biodiversity worldwide. Why? Because organisms literally lose the places where they live, reproduce, and find food. You have to get to the base of it. Things like urban development, deforestation, agriculture, pollution, and mining destroy habitats directly. And there's another important term here I want to talk about called fragmentation, right? And fragmentation happens when habitats get broken into tiny, isolated sections, right? Isolated and tiny sections. That isolates populations, reduces genetic diversity, and increases extinction risk. That's why habitat destruction is considered the biggest overall threat. Comment if you got it right, like if you learned something, and follow the soft-spoken scientist for more biology questions.